Okay, welcome to join me in .NET Labs for Tube. My name is Kevin Luan. This video is going to show you how to implement explicit interface. So, what is explicit interface implementation? Well, when an interface member is implemented along with its interface name as a modifier, that is explicit interface implementation. In this case, the interface member can only be accessed through an instance of the interface. It cannot be accessed through an instance of the class. I prepared two examples that will give you a clear picture. Here's my first example. I define an interface called iDimensions. It has two members, length and width. Here the box class implements the interface iDimensions. How the interface members are implemented in box class. Here you can take a closer look. Instead of just use the interface member name, it explicitly use the interface name along with the member name. This is called explicit interface member implementation. In main method, I first create an instance of the box class. Then I cast the box class instance, my box, into the interface instance called my dimensions. Then I use the interface instance to access the interface members, length and width. Then I run the code. It works fine. So what if I use a class instance to access the members of the interface? So I prepared these two lines. Try to use my box to access the length and width. I compile. You will see there are two errors, saying box does not contain a definition for length and width. So this means that the explicitly implemented interface members are only members of the interface instance. They are not members of the class instance. So you can only access these members through the instance of the interface. You cannot access these members through class instance. In the next example, I will show how to use explicit interface member implementation to implement two interfaces for a class. These two interfaces have exactly same members.